Have you seen the newest Ranga Samurai Fountain Pens? We received 2 new resin colors in our last shipment from Ranga, so we figured it was time for a new unboxing. The colors on these 2 new resins that arrived are really vivid and really bright, and they're a great mixture. This one is the blue-pink resin, and you'll see really drastic variations pen to pen in these because each has its own unique swirl of colors. The Ranga Samurai is a mid-size fountain pen, and it's known as Ranga's workhorse. It has a standard cigar shape and a spring metal clip, and the cigar silhouette has a slightly elevated taper at the bottom, so that's a little bit thinner than the top. The pens are fitted with a number 6 stainless steel nib, and the nibs are paired with an ebonite feed. So they're known for having a really steady ink flow, and I do like that their sections match the barrel and the cap. The Ranga Samurai Fountain Pen uses a cartridge converter filling system, and it's compatible with standard international sizing, so you can use it with any standard international sizing cartridges or converter, but it does include a converter with the purchase. Now here's a quick look at the multicolor resin that also just arrived. And you can see it's a really different combination of colors, but again, really vivid, really bright. It's like a powerful, colorful statement. It's a great addition to a pen collection. If you don't have a Ranga in your collection yet, the Samurai might be a good first pick. But there are other choices. You can check them all out on the website at penchalet.com. And if you haven't yet, make sure to follow us at Pen Chalet for more unboxings and how-to videos.